how to turn off save stories to archive on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off save stories to archive on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and here you will find settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings and go down until you find this one, stories. Click on it, and now here you will find this one, story archive. Click on it, and then all you need to do is just one click on save to archive, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.